Google Ads is one of your biggest digital marketing expenses. Is it worth it? You know Google Ads. You spend money on keywords with Google so your website listing appears at the top of Google searches in the sponsored section. Let me ask you, do you know how much of your Google Ads spend is a total waste of money? Are you getting a decent return from your spend with Google Ads? Or are you just throwing your money away? I really like Google Ads. But what I really dislike is wasting money. You're spending money with Google Ads, so your website will rank at the top when the users search for your brand and non-branded keywords on Google. Your customers love your brand and they buy your products for your website. And they are on your opt-in email list and get all your email broadcasts. Your customers do a Google search for your brand and revisit your website from time to time. Lots of your customers are on Google searching for your brand and clicking on your sponsored ads. Hint, this is costing you money. Now think for a moment. Why would you want your customers doing a Google search for your brand name and clicking on your sponsored ads? This is costing you money. Your customers are already receiving your email broadcasts. They know your brand and they search for it on Google. They're looking for your website and only for your website. Your ads listing is at the top of Google search in the sponsored ads section, and it's costing you money each time they click on your ad. Do you see where I'm going with this? You want your branded search terms to rank your website at the top of Google for non-customers, but not your current customers. Look, you're on your company's opt-in email broadcast list. You visit your company's website. Take a moment to do a Google search for your company's brand and see if you're paying for the sponsored listing to be shown to you. You're advertising to yourself, and if you click on that ad, it's going to cost you. Look, it doesn't have to be this way. When you do a Google search for your brand, notice that your company's organic search listing is already ranking at the top of the search results. You should not be wasting your money attracting your current customers by paying for ad listings for your branded keywords. This is a complete waste of money. You don't have to advertise to your customers since your organic listings for your brand are already ranking at the top for free. So there you have it. Before the busy season begins, stop advertising to your customers when they search for your brand name. This will cut your Google Ads spend dramatically. If you like what you're hearing, click the like button below and leave a comment. And watch this next video where I show you how to stop advertising to your current customers so you can make your advertising dollars go further so you can make more money.